In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook online using Shopify. We're going to walk through the full process, from creating your product in Shopify to attaching the actual ebook file so it can be delivered automatically to your customers. By the end, you'll have a digital product ready to sell on your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side and find the section labeled Products. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the products currently in your store. In the top right corner of this page, there's a button that says Add Product. Go ahead and click that to create a brand new product for your ebook. You're now in the product editor. At the top, enter a clear, descriptive title for your ebook. Think about what your customers will search for and make sure the title reflects the main benefit or topic. Just below the title, add a detailed description. This area supports rich text so you can format headings, add paragraphs, and even include bullet-style lists if you'd like inside Shopify. Use this space to explain what the ebook covers, who it's for, and what readers will learn. Next, add your ebook cover as media. In the media section, click Upload New. A pop-up will open showing your computer files. Browse to where your ebook cover image is stored, select it, and then click Open at the bottom right of that window. Shopify will upload the image and display it alongside your product, which helps it look more professional and appealing. Scroll down to the pricing section. Enter the price you want to charge for your ebook. This is what customers will see at checkout. Below that, adjust the inventory settings. Even though it's a digital product, Shopify still lets you track inventory if you want to limit the number of copies sold. Add the stock quantity to the appropriate location or locations shown. And now find the shipping card or shipping section. Because this is a digital product, you need to make sure that the option for a physical product is turned off or disabled. This prevents Shopify from asking customers for shipping details and charging shipping fees. When everything looks good, click Save at the top near the search bar to save your new product. Next, we'll connect the actual ebook file so it can be delivered after purchase. At the top of your admin, click into the search bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Apps. In the search field, type Digital Downloads and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store with results related to digital products. From the search results, find the app called Digital Downloads and click it. If it's not installed yet on your store, click the Install button and follow the prompts. Just go through each step until the installation is complete. When it's done, you'll be taken to the Digital Downloads dashboard. Inside this dashboard, you'll see a list of your products, including the ebook product you just created. Look for that ebook in the list. In the column labeled Digital Files or something similar, you'll see an option to add files. Click Add Digital Files and then click Add Files. A pop-up window will open again with your computer files. This time, navigate to the actual ebook file itself, whether it's a PDF or another format you're using. Select the file and click Open in the bottom right corner. Wait for Shopify to upload your ebook. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it finishes, the file will be attached to that product. Finally, click Save at the top near the search bar one more time. At this point, your ebook product has a title, description, cover image, price, and most importantly, the digital file attached through the Digital Downloads app. Customers who purchase this product from your Shopify store will automatically receive a link to download the ebook after checkout. That's all you need to start selling your ebook online using Shopify.